If you're looking to enjoy the vast collection of movies, TV shows, and sports events on Sony LIV, here's a step-by-step guide to help you register and activate your Sony LIV account. Step 1. Visit the official Sony LIV website or open the app. Open your browser and go to the official Sony LIV website, www.sonyliv.com, or download the Sony LIV app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up or Register. On the homepage of the website or app, you will see a Sign Up or Register button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Provide your details. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account for a quicker process. Make sure to use a valid email address that you can access, as you'll need it for account activation. Step 4. Complete registration. After entering your details, click on Sign Up or Create Account to complete the registration. You may also be required to agree to the terms and conditions of Sony LIV. Step 5. Verify your email. Sony LIV will send you a verification email to the address you provided. Open your inbox, find the email, and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Step 6. Log in to your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Sony LIV website or app and log in using the credentials you created during registration. Step 7. Choose a subscription plan, optional. Sony LIV offers both free and premium subscription plans. If you want access to exclusive content such as live sports, premium TV shows, and movies, select a premium subscription. Enter your payment details to complete the subscription process. Step 8. Activate Sony LIV on your device, optional. For activating Sony LIV on your TV or any other device, you may need to download and install the app. Sign in to the app using your credentials. If prompted, enter the activation code provided on your TV screen to complete the activation. Step 9. Enjoy Sony LIV content. After successful registration and activation, start enjoying all the content available on Sony LIV, including movies, TV shows, sports, and more. By following these easy steps, you'll be all set to enjoy your favorite shows and live sports on Sony LIV. Happy streaming!